In Content Studio, we first decide where in the structure we want to create a new content item. We will create a blog post, so it makes sense to create this beneath blog. There are 3 ways to create a new content item in the navigation panel. Through a keyboard shortcut, through the toolbar, or by right-clicking and choosing New. In the Create Content wizard, you can choose what content type you will create from a list. You can also see the most common content types used in this area, what content types you have recently created, or even filter the content types. The wizard can also be used for uploading items, like images, videos, or PDFs. You can select a file from the disk, or simply drag it directly into the dialog.